Start by washing the basmati rice and soaking it in water for 30 minutes. Drain the rice and grind it with cardamom pods until you get a coarse paste. Heat milk and water in a pan. Add the rice paste and stir while bringing to a boil. Now add the fresh rose petals. Time for the nuts and sweeteners, chopped almonds, cashews, sugar and rose syrup. Let it simmer gently, stirring occasionally. Your rose rice kheer is ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.